representation of solids, liquids and gases. As you can see, the blue circles represent a solid. They have a rigid structure and the particles are tightly bonded and are strongly attracted to each other. The red circles represent a liquid. As these particles are not bonded together as strongly as a solid, the particles of a liquid are more free-moving and can flow over each other. Lastly, the green circles represent a gas. These particles have little attraction to each other and freely move about. These terms will be included throughout the presentation. There are many physical changes involved in the process of making a cake. For this video, we will focus on the physical change involved with the carbon dioxide and its role in allowing the cake mixture to rise when exposed to heat. To begin with, the mixture is added to the bowl. You can see that the different ingredients are not yet combined. Here is a visual of ingredients not yet combined. The ingredients are mixed together and they take over a liquid form. As you can see here, the cake mixture is in a liquid state, which means the particles are able to slide over each other and move freely. As the spoon stirs the mixture, carbon dioxide particles become trapped. Next, the mixture is added to the baking tray. Here is a visual representation of the liquid mixture in the baking tray. Note that the mixture does not yet appear to be cooked and/or risen. You can also see bubbles at the surface of the liquid mixture. In this diagram, you can see that the mixture doesn't fill the baking tray. This is because it has not yet been exposed to heat. The carbon dioxide particles are still trapped in the mixture and have not been exposed to heat energy and move about. As the mixture is exposed to the heat of the oven, the carbon dioxide particles start to move about and bump into each other, as well as the ingredients of the mixture. The carbon dioxide is in a gas form, and therefore the particles are less attracted to each other and can move freely within the mixture. The outside of the cake will begin to cook before the middle. Here we have a visual representation of the particle state as the final product, a cake. Throughout this process, the particles have remained the same and no new elements were formed. The physical change which has occurred is the transformation of the cake mixture from a liquid state to a solid state with the force of heat energy. In this instance, energy was from the heat of the oven. This allowed the particles to become more active and push the cake mixture up so that it would rise. The cooling of the cake removed the energy, allowing the bonding to take hold within the cake mixture, stopping the cake from sinking and returning to a less fixed state.